Now, some of you who already have programming experience might be coming from languages like Cold Fusion or Visual Basic, where arrays actually start at number 1 as their index. Well, C, C++, C#, Java, and most other languages start arrays at the 0th index, and that's at 0. So that question, I was hoping that question didn't come up, but it did, and I'm going to have to answer it because I probably should have anyway. And that question is, why do arrays start with the 0th index as opposed to the first index? Or why is the first index 0 and not 1, more specifically? And that's just because. It's funny, there's this very specific historical reason why this is. It's because arrays in C and other languages before it were not actually technically arrays, they were just pointers in memory. And 0 was always the first item because that pointer always pointed at the first item. So when you said 0, you meant an offset of 0. You want to walk 0 yards to get to this box because the variable is already pointing at this box. If you wanted to get the first item, you have to take one step forward in order to get that first item. Or sorry, the second item. You'd have to walk one step forward to get to that second item. So yes, we use arrays that start with 0. And that's just how it is.